I'm PJ Larson with CanadaMotorsport.com Kawasaki. We're out here at Kauai MX doing the photo shoot for the 2010 Scott gear. You know, the Scott gear, it's got a really comfortable neck, and it's a little bit softer than most companies have. So whenever you wear a Liat, it's a little bit softer, a little more cushion on your shoulders and everything. So it just makes it feel more of a natural fit, almost like you're not wearing a Liat. So we got air ventilation in the down in the wrist on the outside, so you can get better airflow up your arms while you're riding. It's a really light material that they use with a lot of holes in it, so it's got really good ventilation.
Hi, I'm Kyle Cunningham. I ride for CanadaMotorsport.com Kawasaki. We're out at the Scott photo shoot with the new 2010 gear. I've been wearing the gear about a year and it's great. The new stuff's looking awesome.
Pants, they're super comfortable pants. They fit really well in the waist. They have the extra adjustables, so you can make them a little bit more snug, a little bit more loose, however you want them to fit. And you know, they've made a lot better leather into the knees this year, so it looks like it's going to be a lot more durable and hold up a lot better than years past. And they've got great airflow going just above the knee where your knee brace is, and they're really comfortable pants. They fit well. Gloves are definitely the best gloves that I think I've ever put on. They're really thin. They're allowing good airflow. They've got really good grip on the palm and on the fingers where you're going to be using the clutch and everything like that. People notice that we're head-to-toe Scott gear, and you know, so many people have come up and asked about where they can get it and everything, and now we can finally tell them that they can get it with the 2010 Futures. And you know, they all ask how it fits and everything, and it's just so comfortable and it all looks good. And so you know, it's been great having people like that sponsor the team and have people want to ask and know more about it and want to look into buying it.